There were many questions about how can you pause your rendering in Blender, and in fact there is no pause feature built into the program yet. For example, you want to do something CPU or GPU intensive on your computer, but you are making a complex few-hour rendering on your machine and all CPU cores or graphic cards are stressed to the maximum. And if you stop the rendering, you will just lost a big part of already rendered image. Today I will show you how to add a hotkey that will pause the rendering so you can do anything you want on your computer and then just resume the rendering from the point you stopped without any loss. I have actually made this program and uploaded it on one of Blender groups, but nobody was brave enough to download it for good reasons. Don't download anything from unknown internet user. Any person can make a virus, really. It's so darn easy to steal all your data, passwords and other stuff if you open the file. So I decided to make a tutorial how to make it yourself. I guess you can trust yourself. So what we will need is AutoHotkey, which you can download from their site, which is also in the video description. It's really easy to learn Windows automation language. You can in fact learn it in a few days from scratch, and it gives you a lot of possibilities. Second thing is PS Suspend from PS Stores, which you can download from Microsoft's website, a link in the description. Which it allows you to do is suspending and resuming Windows processes from command prompt. So when you install AutoHotkey and unpack PS-DOS, let's make a new folder and just drop PS Suspend there, since we don't need any other things from PS-DOS. Now just right click and create two AutoHotkey scripts. First will be an installer and the second one will be the pause program itself. Installer will give you a possibility of installing it on any computer you want. You can use any code editor you want, even Notepad. I will use Site for AutoHotkey and I have no idea how to pronounce that. Right-click the installer script and click Edit, then delete all this stuff. First we will create a program directory which will be in roaming folder. Now let's make it drop the PS Suspend into the created directory. What file install does is it adds the specified file to the compiled script and when executed drops it into the specified folder. Then it will drop the main code into the startup folder, so it will fire up every time you turn on your computer, so the hotkey will always work. We will also make it run the main code when installation is complete. At the end we can add a message box that will tell that installation is completed and show the available hotkeys, which in our case will be left Windows key plus left shift to pause and right Windows key plus right shift to resume. Now let's go to the main code. First we will write hash persistent, which means we don't want the script to quit after return. Then add two timers, pause and resume, with time set to 100 milliseconds. After that, add these two labels. Now we can create our hotkey. First we need to know the state of keys. GetKeyState will give us D if the key is pressed. We want to run command prompt command when both keys are down. We will make it run two commands one after another with AND symbol. First navigate to pssuspend, which we installed to the folder in roaming directory, then execute pssuspend command on Blender. We will also add -no banner parameter, so pssuspend will execute without prompting for permission. Now do the same to the resum label. Just change keys from left to right and add -r parameter to the command prompt pssuspend commands, which will make it not suspend but resum the process. That's all. Now you can compile first the main code, then the installer, and that will be your final executable you can use. Let's test it. Yeah, so we hit the left Windows plus left shift, render pauses, and CPU usage goes way down. When we hit right Windows plus right shift, it renders again, and CPU usage goes up. Works just fine. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, remember to like, comment and subscribe for more videos.